I love to help. When I help somebody find the answer to something that's been slowing them down or been troubling them for a while, I feel a great sense of joy in my heart. When I go out and work with organisations and I show somebody something and it's like I can see a light globe go off over their head, that gives me great joy. It makes me very happy to know that I've helped someone. It's like when we make a donation to our favourite charity. We feel like we're contributing, we're helping, we're making a difference. We can do the same in the workplace, you know. We can make ourselves happy and joyous simply by giving our time to our colleagues. It can be as simple as asking what their challenges are, talking with them about what their issues are within what it is they're currently doing, and offering up some advice and some suggestions and seeking the same from them. The joy of helping and sharing is a two-way street. When we give to others, they want to give back to us, and the end result is everybody feels good. And isn't that important in any organisational workplace? It's all about feeling good. We spend so much time at work, wouldn't it be much better if it was a positive environment rather than maybe being a negative one?